If you want to visit off the beaten path spot in the South Moravian region of the Czech Republic, head to Jáňův dvůr, a goat farm offering a variety of locally produced goat cheeses and other delicious products. We had the pleasure to not only taste the cheese, but also to meet the creators themselves. I have to say, an afternoon spent tasting great food and hanging out with animals is a good afternoon. Have you ever visited a place where your food comes from? Let us know in the comments. So, if you're in the area, don't forget to visit this place to taste some truly great cheese, some local wine, and maybe even ride a horse through the vineyards. So what is your favorite off the beaten path spot? Let us know in the comments!